Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by physically connecting the audio interface and powering it. Once done, open Garageband and go straight to Preferences, then Audio/MIDI. Select the interface for input and output so sound routes correctly. Create a new audio track and assign the track to the interface input number you used, then set the sample rate to 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz depending on your project. Make sure phantom power is off for dynamic mics until you need it, and label the track so you don't mix channels. You now optimize routing and latency. Open GarageBand's audio settings and set the I/O buffer to 256 or 512 samples. Lower values reduce latency but increase CPU usage, so choose based on your machine. If you hear delay, enable direct monitoring on the interface or GarageBand's input monitoring. Direct monitoring bypasses round-trip latency. Next, adjust the preamp gain on the interface so your input peaks near -6 dBFS. This preserves headroom. If you use a condenser mic, switch on 48V phantom power only when the mic is connected. You're ready to record. Arm the audio track, do a quick level check while speaking or playing, and press record. Monitor through headphones at a safe level. Once recorded, use basic gain staging and a touch of compression to even out performance, then save the project and export to WAV or AAC when finished. If you get silence, stop and check cables, ensure the interface is powered, confirm the correct input is selected in GarageBand, and verify the sample rate matches between interface and session. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.